Hi there, it's Galen, design team member with Unity Stamp Company. Today I have a card with a girl and some watercolor in the background. I am using leftovers from scrap pieces that I had set aside. I like to use those again instead of throwing them away when I can. Today I have the Unity stamp company stamp called All About You. It's a planner gal by Angie Blom. And the planner gals can be used for all kinds of uses, not just for planners. In this case, I'm using it for a card. I also have the Unity Stamp Company kit called Botanical Background. It's by Brutus Monroe for Unity Stamp Company. Okay, I have a doily trim that's left over from a card that I used using Sizzix Lori Whitlock dies. And this is a piece of watercolor paper that I used the botanical background on with stamping. That was a project that I did previously. There's a video on that also. But I had a leftover piece from something that I cut out and I wanted to reuse it. So I'm going to use it on this card. I have an A2 pre-folded and pre-scored card base. And I also use scrap paper to stamp the sentiment and the girl onto. And so I just die cut the tag for the sentiment and I trimmed a piece of paper to go ahead and start coloring this planner gal. So the planner gal and the sentiment are the only new things I'm using for this, along with the card base. So I choose various colors of Copic markers. I noted them in the video, and they'll be noted on my blog also. I'm going to use her, and I'm going to put her assembled into the card along with some of those other leftover pieces. I even have a leftover piece of twine that I'm going to use that's pink for this card. So I just sort of matched the pink and lavender colors and blue that were in the watercolor panel from before, and I'm coloring her with similar colors. The girl is just colored with Copic markers, and the watercolor panel was from Sakura Koi watercolor. It was heat embossed for the stamping on that watercolor panel, and it was stamped with rubber stamps. And so for the girl, I used similar colors, and I'm fussy cutting her, which is just trimming her out. And I'm going to place the doily first onto the bottom part of the card. And this is that watercolor piece that was pre-stamped and pre-watercolored. I'm adding that to the top, placing the girl, and adding a little bit of twine at the top and tying the tag. It makes a cute card. This can be used for birthday or any celebration occasion. I added some adhesive gems to finish it, and the card is left to just dangle. I hope that you like this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube. Thanks so much and have a great day.